Take a video of me and you laughing on.
Listen to my brother snoring. This is ridiculous.
Paul, there's a spider on your foot. Honestly, Paul. Paul, honestly, there's a spider on your foot.
Up to the edge, and over here up there to the edge, and I fucking hate the weed, you fucking lads.